If you're over 60, here's something most people never tell you. Every decade after your 30s, you naturally lose up to 8% of your muscle mass. By 60, that can mean losing nearly 1/3 of your strength, the very foundation that keeps you standing tall, walking steadily, and living independently. But here's the good news. Research now shows that you can reverse up to 50% of that loss, even after 60, with just a few simple, targeted movements done safely at home. Today, I'll guide you through 5 easy, doctor-approved exercises that rebuild muscle, protect your joints, and boost balance, all backed by science and designed specifically for older adults. So grab a sturdy chair, a wall for balance, and let's begin your journey back to strength. Before we start, remember, you don't need a gym. You don't need heavy weights. What you need is consistency, good form, and a few minutes each day. And if you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest senior wellness guides designed to keep you independent and confident. Exercise 1: seated leg extension. Let's start with one of the safest, most effective movements to rebuild quadriceps strength, the large muscles in the front of your thighs that help you stand, walk, and climb stairs. How to do it. 1. Sit tall on a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor. 2. Slowly lift one leg until it's straight in front of you. 3. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then gently lower it back down. 4. Repeat 10 to 12 times per leg. Rest, then do a second round. Why it works. After 60, your quadriceps naturally weaken, making it harder to stand up or balance. This movement activates the thigh muscles without stressing the knees or hips, improving blood flow and joint stability. Exercise 2: sit to stand from chair. This is a powerhouse movement for rebuilding total lower body strength, hips, thighs, and glutes all in one. How to do it. 1. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder width apart. 2. Cross your arms over your chest or extend them forward. 3. Press through your heels and slowly stand up. 4. Sit back down with control, no dropping. Reps start with 8 to 10, rest, then repeat. Why it matters. According to research from the Journal of Gerontology, your ability to stand up from a chair without using your hands is one of the strongest predictors of long-term independence. Each repetition trains your glutes, hamstrings, and balance system, reducing fall risk and improving walking endurance. Safety tip. If needed, keep a chair or countertop nearby for light support until you feel steady. Exercise 3: heel raises, the calf booster. These target the calves, your body's second heart, the muscles that pump blood upward and support every step you take. How to do it. 1. Stand tall behind a chair, fingertips resting gently on the back. 2. Slowly lift your heels as high as possible. Pause for 3 seconds, then lower down with control. 3. Do 10 to 15 reps. Repeat 2 to 3 sets. Why it works. Calf muscles weaken faster than most others with age. When they lose tone, blood flow slows, swelling increases, and stability suffers. Heel raises restore circulation, improve balance, and reduce ankle and knee strain. Exercise 4: wall push UPS. Upper body strength matters just as much. Wall push-ups safely target your chest, shoulders, and arms without the risk of floor pressure or heavy strain. How to do it. 1. Stand about 2 feet from a wall. 2. Place your hands shoulder width apart, slightly below shoulder height. 3. Bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall. 4. Push back slowly to your starting position. Reps 10 to 15 per set, 2 to 3 sets. Why it's important. Stronger arms and shoulders help you carry groceries, push yourself up from chairs, and even support your posture. This exercise also gently activates your core, which keeps your spine aligned and prevents back pain. Exercise 5: standing march with arm swing. This final movement strengthens your hips, core, and coordination, the trio that protects against falls and improves daily energy. How to do it. 1. Stand tall behind a chair for support. 2. Lift one knee as high as comfortable while swinging the opposite arm. 3. Lower and repeat on the other side in a smooth rhythm. 4. Continue marching for 60 seconds. Rest, then repeat 2 more rounds. Why it helps. Marching stimulates circulation, builds hip flexor strength, and trains your brain-body coordination. In fact, studies show that just 5 minutes of Controlled marching daily reduces fall risk by 30% in adults over 65. Muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable, it's preventable and reversible. These 5 exercises rebuild strength from the ground up. Seated leg extensions for thigh power. Sit to stand for full lower body strength. Heel raises for circulation. Wall push UPS for upper body support. Standing marches for coordination and confidence. Start with 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. Within a month, you'll notice improved balance, stronger legs, and more energy throughout your day. If this video helped you, please subscribe and tap the bell icon. This channel focuses on senior wellness, mobility, and longevity, helping you stay strong, independent, and confident at every age. Until next time, stay active, stay safe, and stay young at heart.